Ano pa yung point? Yung RTH ho, okay, is basically clerical. It's a little bit pathetic. Okay? Everybody is losing millions of pesos. In fact, CMCDC has their own share of losing millions of pesos simply because of documentation error. Okay? So that is the reason why we are here right now. Eventually ho, if our clinicians, and you're part of that, when you will become informed or there's increase in the awareness on rules, okay, the RTH design will improve. So, okay, how and when does this occur? Yung mga error, okay, paulit-ulit. So, we'll discuss the claims principles ho. Okay. Ito, yung una. Principle number 1. Yung PhilHealth claims, okay, simple lang ho yan. It's all about information. Okay? So, ulitin ko ha. Yung PhilHealth claims is very simple because, okay, claims is all about processing specific information. So, when we talk of information, there are 3 types of information. So, okay, as a resident or as a doctor, you write clinical information in the clinical chart. Okay? So, those information po are converted or transcribed, encoded into specific PhilHealth forms. Okay? So, meron kang clinical information, that's number 1. Next, you have the non-clinical. Yung non-clinical ho, ito yung mga personal data ng pasyente at yung data ng doktor. Then you have the financial information. Financial information entails the financial facts or the financial data or transaction. Ito na ho yung billing, ito na ho yung statement of account, ito na ho yung amount, okay, yung tax, yan na, yung out of pocket nila. So, pag sinabi nating claims processing, information lang ho yan. Ilang klaseng information? 3 types. Clinical, self-explanatory. Okay? Signs and symptoms, clinical management, whatever it is, labs, okay? Results, that's clinical information. Number 2, non-clinical. These are demographics. Number 3, financial information. These are all about financial data or financial facts during the time of confinement. Ganun lang kasimple. Kasi yun lang hinihingi ni PhilHealth. Okay? The hospital is required to submit information to PhilHealth. Yan yung proof of quality service that's in a form of information. That is claims principle number 1. Now, question, naintindihan ba ho ninyo? If naintindihan ho ninyo, can you please type information? Okay?